guys, it's your boy JamarVlogs, and today I'm going to be going to shoot a challenge video with my cousin. So take you guys with me. Okay. There. Okay guys, I'm just getting ready to leave towards my cousin's house, and well, I'm not sure if we're gonna stay there to shoot the video or not, so we'll see where we end up, guys. So I just got here to my cousin's house, and I'm just gonna step inside and see how we're gonna do things today. Alright guys, so stepping out right now. Good. I guess this guy heard me pull up.
Yeah, of course I did.
What are you saying?
Nah, I'm just chilling, man. My mom is like sleeping, so I think we're about to do it outside or something.
Yeah, we can. It's not that bad out today.
Kind of cold.
Are you gonna change? We're about to go pick up some hot wings from this place called Bellagio's, so stay tuned. We're just here waiting for the wings right now. I think we got like 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna go look for a spot to shoot, and we're gonna go see you guys there. Hope you guys enjoy the scene. What's up guys? So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching the video all the way through. The reason that I made this video was actually to vlog my day, but I really mainly went out today to shoot the challenge videos. So I'm gonna be linking the challenge videos probably somewhere near the actual end of this clip. I'm gonna be showing you guys a bit more stuff right now, but yeah, at the end of this clip you should be seeing like some pop-ups to go to the actual challenge videos that were shot on this day. And right now what I actually wanted to show you is a little bit of something behind the scenes. I feel like a lot of you guys don't really get the opportunity to appreciate the amount of effort that some of us content creators actually put into our videos. There's all sorts of ways that you can edit videos, and there's a lot of programs out there that allow really like amateur, like beginners, to kind of stay up to date with YouTube and kind of stay relevant and do all the work for them and stuff. But some of us try to advance our kind of career and our professionalism, and basically learn how to work well with professional programs and software that they use to make commercials and movies. So that's what I use. I use Adobe Premiere. And just to show you a bit of behind the scenes, all of this is edit. So all those little notches, every single thing you see in there, every little tiny notch you see in there, that's all edits, guys. So this is literally hours. Like when I say hours, like I've been sitting here for hours, and these are all edits, guys, in my video. So I hope you guys just take in what it is that I'm doing behind the scenes to put up these videos for you, And I just hope that you overall appreciate it, and really make sure that you click the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment below on things that you liked, things that you didn't like. Just overall communicate with me on my channel and let me know basically that I'm doing well or how I can improve. Alright guys, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for leaving a like. Thank you for leaving a subscribe. And like I said earlier, the links to the actual videos that were shot today, apart from this vlog, the challenge videos will be linked somewhere near the end of this video. Okay, guys? So yeah, stay tuned for more, and it's always a pleasure. Make sure to wander, connect, innovate, and inspire at all times, guys. Boom.